Right, let's move on from one controversy to another. This time it's been created by Shakil Ahmed. Was it a cardinal error or a deliberate provocation? If this party leader shocked their country with his ISI remark, then a Congress spokesperson took it a step ahead with a controversial reference. Shakil Ahmed yesterday equating the BJP with the ISI while saying that both rejoice during riots.
Whenever there is communal trouble in this country, two types of people rejoice. Pakistan's ISI and Indian Bhajpa.
With this remark, Congress's Shakil Ahmed sparked off a political controversy. Listen again to what the Congress spokesperson said at the party's news conference.
कि जब भी इस देश में कहीं सांप्रदायिक दंगा, विशेषकर हिंदू मुस्लिम दंगा होता है, तो दुनिया में दो तरह के लोग बहुत प्रसन्न होते हैं. भारत का भाजपाई और पाकिस्तान का ISI.
New law in Indian politics with Congress leader Shakil Ahmed equating the Bharatiya Janata Party to Pakistan's ISI. BJP has hit back at stating that it's the sick mind of the Congress party and a desperate attempt by the Congress to put the BJP down.
The war of words just escalating after Shakil Ahmed's brazen remarks.
जब पोलराइजेशन होता है सोसाइटी में, तो भाजपा को वोट का फायदा नजर आता है.
दंगा का इतिहास अगर देखेंगे देश का, आजादी के बाद जितने हजारों दंगे हुए, उसमें से 90% दंगे कांग्रेस के राज में हुए हैं.
The riots debate coming at a time when there is political firefight over the revelation of anti-national elements making inroads into Muzaffarnagar. A matter of national security which was once again being overshadowed by this comment by the Congress Vice President.
ऐसे 10-15 लड़के हैं, मुसलमान लड़के हैं, जिनके भाई बहनों को मारा गया है, और पाकिस्तान से लोग उनसे बात करना शुरू कर रहे हैं.
Are our parties missing the real point of focusing on national security while getting petty with national politics? Is India giving a handle to anti-national elements? Bureau Report, Times Now.